Hebi wahyamba hina pene chwaha imbarebine da'ant.
You get on the gondola and it's coming up. The first thing you hear is Cherith, and it's in the language. Then of course you hear it in the English, but hearing somebody from my community, you don't hear that every day. You don't hear our language anywhere else.
We are in a time, I guess a decade, of celebrating Indigenous languages. And so I think this is a project that really puts emphasis on the Stoney language. We're very fortunate with our community because we still speak our language. A lot of other communities, not so much. And so we wanted to present our language in a way that can be heard.
We've got a number of different partnerships with the Stoney Nakoda which help us tell a story of these mountains that guests might not otherwise find. We will continue with other existing interpretive storytelling, art, and other different ways of engaging guests.
I would say this is a one-of-a-kind experience. It allowed Stoney Nakoda to be front and center, along with Moment Factory and Pursuit, the three partners in this project. So we were in the forefront in terms of local Indigenous culture, stories, and the perspective of this area.
Nightrise's 5 years has been very successful, and it's going to be really important to us to continue to innovate and find new ways to tell the story of the Stoney Nakoda people on this landscape.
This is the last year for this winter display, but in our Indigenous worldview, the circle of life is a hoop, a circle that never ends. I don't see it as an end, but I see it as more of a continuation of something.